How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to find the SWIFT code for CIBC, the Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. Without further ado, let's dive right in. As we all know, the SWIFT code varies for each bank and it depends on the specific region and branch location. The SWIFT code is composed of several parts. The first 4 characters represent the bank code, the next 2 are the country code, followed by the location code, and finally the branch code. To find your CIBC SWIFT code, there are a few straightforward methods. On the screen, you can see that the general SWIFT bytecode for CIBC is CIBC-CATTXXXX. However, CIBC uses different SWIFT codes for various banking services. If you're unsure which code to use, it's best to check with your recipient or directly with your bank. Typically, if you request a form or receipt from your bank, it will display the specific SWIFT code for that service and branch. It will look something like this: example CIBC Square, 81 Bay Street, Toronto, Canada, with the corresponding SWIFT code listed. Another method is to check online. On the website I'm currently showing, you can search for the SWIFT code by selecting the country and entering the bank's name. It will display the relevant SWIFT code for CIBC. You can also do this in reverse. If you have a SWIFT code and need to find out which bank it corresponds to, enter the SWIFT code and the website will provide the bank's details. So to summarize, you can easily extract your SWIFT code by visiting this website and entering either your bank's name and country or the SWIFT code itself to find the necessary details. If this video helped you, be sure to let us know in the comment section below. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel where we upload guides daily. Thank you all for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.